Hi, I'm Mark from the e-learning team at the University of Kent. This video will provide a brief introduction to how this pilot MOOC in Erlang will work. It'll be a good idea to watch this video in full screen mode. Click at the bottom right of the video to enter full screen. To exit full screen, click at the bottom right again or press the escape key. If you are logged into our Moodle system, you'll see your name at the top right of the screen. Otherwise, click to log in using the username and password you chose when you signed up. From the course homepage, and from any main page on the course, you can navigate to each week of the MOOC. For this pilot, we're just presenting the first 3 weeks of the course, so weeks 4 to 6 are greyed out. Although the course is arranged by weeks, there are no scheduled times for classes, so you can go at your own preferred pace. Each week has a series of activities to work through, and each activity has its own page. On each page, you'll see the usual navigation at the top, plus navigation to the previous and next activities. An approximate time is provided for each activity, followed by a brief introduction. There may also be some further notes after the activity, or for example, some supporting links or files, and then a further link to the next activity. The most common activity type is a video, like this one. Often, videos will include slides or code excerpts, so you may want to view them in full screen. As we've already seen, you can click at the bottom right of the video to enter full screen. Another way to watch the videos is through our Kent Player system. Click at the top right of the video and Kent Player will open in a new browser window. Viewing through Kent Player provides additional features such as variable speed playback. As well as videos, you'll find quizzes. These are quick checks on your understanding of key points. Click on the quiz title to open it, and then for each question, select your answer and press Submit. If you get the wrong answer, you'll be asked to try again. If you get it wrong a second time, you'll receive some feedback on the correct answer. At the end of the quiz, you'll see your score, and you can then review the answers or have another go. We refer to a further type of activity as homework. Homeworks are more substantial than quizzes, and you may want to complete them separately. The instructions for each homework are provided in PDF files. Click to open the PDF on screen. You may then also want to save or print the file to refer to later. Sometimes there may be supporting files to download too. Here, for example, a small Erlang program. At the bottom of each activity page, you'll see a button labelled Add a New Discussion Topic. This is where you can interact with others on the course. To post a message, just click the button, fill in the subject line and your message. If you like, you can choose to format the message and then click Post to Forum. When messages have been added to a forum, you can read the messages by clicking on subject titles. To reply to a message, click Reply at the bottom right, and then post your message as before. There's a discussion forum on each activity page, so you can comment, discuss and ask questions. Your teaching assistant will also monitor the forums and may contribute where appropriate. But one of the best ways of learning on a MOOC is through discussing your ideas with other learners on the course. Of course, we do expect you to be polite and reasonable, and will remove posts that we consider unreasonable. We've provided some guidance notes to help you with discussion forums. Usually, the discussion forum is just for your general comments and questions, but sometimes there's a specific discussion activity where we ask you to respond to particular questions. For these discussion activities, the forum still works in exactly the same way. So, that's videos, quizzes, homeworks, and discussions. There are also some activities that we found difficult to categorise, and these are simply called activities. We do encourage you to use the discussion forums to share your thoughts, comments and questions, but if you want to send us some further feedback, you can also use the feedback form. You'll find this at the left of each page. Click on Feedback Form and then on Answer the Questions. Let us know which part of the course your feedback refers to. This could be a specific activity or particular aspects of the course, such as videos or discussions, or just to the course in general. Type in your feedback and click Submit Questionnaire at the bottom. Remember, in most cases your comments, and particularly any questions you have about Erlang, will be valuable to all learners on the course, so often it'll be best to use the discussion forums. Use the feedback form just for those messages you want to share with us and not with other learners. To manage your profile on Moodle, click on the small arrow next to your name at the top right of the screen. Select My Profile, then Edit Profile from the menu on the left. To help create an identity on the course, you might like to upload a picture, which will be used, for example, when you post messages to the discussion forums. If you use Gravatar, your Gravatar image should be loaded in by default. Your chosen image will now appear when you are logged in and beside your discussion forum posts. You'll notice a section titled Taking It Further. Here you can explore how you might take things further with the University of Kent, with Erlang and with MOOCs in general. To log out from Moodle, click on the small arrow next to your name and select Log Out. To find out more about our project and other Beacon projects celebrating 50 years of the UK's European University, visit the Beacon project pages at www.kent.ac.uk/beacon. From there, you can also click through to our own KMOOCs project pages. Finally, we'd like to thank you for signing up to this pilot MOOC in Erlang. As this is a pilot, we're learning too, and we hope you'll be able to help us improve as we work towards offering full MOOCs. Your feedback is always welcome, so please don't hesitate to click on the feedback form or use the discussion forums to let us know what works well, what you'd like to see improved, or how you'd like to see our MOOCs develop. Thanks again. We hope you enjoy learning functional programming with Erlang.